The latest GWP on the LEGO website is a tribute to the legendary English novelist Jane Austen, best known for her six iconic novels filled with wit, social commentary, and strong female characters. This exclusive set is available as a gift with purchase until 27 June with a minimum spend of USD 150 or MYR 720. And just to sweeten the deal, the Double Insider Points promotion is running till 23rd June. Over the past few years, LEGO has released some truly delightful book themed sets. Standouts include Books Are My Passion, a hit with avid readers and bookworms, and tribute sets honoring the literary giants like Jules Verne, Charles Dickens, and Hans Christian Andersen. The latest edition celebrates Jane Austen herself, featuring a minifigure of the author in a cozy home setting that pays homage to her real life residence in England. Inside, there is a writing desk, quill, piano, bookshelf, fireplace, flowers, and several paintings. These framed pieces on the wall creatively depict scenes from film adaptations of her most cherished novels, Emma, Sense and Sensibility, and Pride and Prejudice. Let's take a look inside the box. You have a well designed instruction booklet and several bags of parts. One small disappointment is that despite LEGO's commitment to switching to paper packaging, this set still comes with plastic bags. On the upside, the set includes a few pieces not found so often in many builds, and it's packed with beautiful light aqua and dark orange color pieces. For a GWP, these are lovely addition. A standout detail is the printed tile bearing Jane Austen's actual signature taken directly from her will, which is an authentic touch. Now, about the build, the bookshelf is simple but charming. The walls and windows, built with a contrast of light and dark shades, look visually rich. But the star is the central spine of the book. It slides in seamlessly between the two halves. The technique is clever, advanced, and really satisfying. There is a slight wobble and gap which could have been improved, but it does not take away too much from the overall impact. Both the fireplace and piano are nice, simple standalone builds. The piano also uses spoon elements as pedals. Do you know the real Easter egg here? The piano has two pedals, just like the Clementi piano Jane Austen had owned. Considering Austen was an accomplished pianist, this is a meaningful inclusion. That kind of design accuracy deserves an applause. The piano also includes music notes, probably a non literal homage to Robin Adair, an Irish folk song. Coming to the specific elements, the Jane Austen minifigure captures the classic Regency era elegance, and the three paintings enhance the storytelling. One shows the light-hearted moment in Emma where she attempts to paint Harriet. Another captures the four leads at a ballroom dance in Sense and Sensibility, and the third depicts the iconic first meeting between Elizabeth and Mr. Darcy in Pride and Prejudice. Even the back of this set is neatly finished, making it a lovely piece to display, especially on the shelf of a true book lover. All in all, this is an incredibly well thought out GWP. It combines smart build techniques, rare and earthy pieces, and an authentic tribute to Jane Austen's world. With the double insider points promo in play, I'd say one does not need much persuasion to pick it up. As a bonus, it also comes with several extra pieces. Hope you enjoyed the review of this set. Please do like and subscribe to our channel for more content.